TR here. This video is about the Career Portfolio Case Study Assignment. Once you've identified your career cluster or the specific occupation you're most interested in, you're going to be researching someone who's worked or works within the career cluster. Could be somebody famous or an individual that you know personally. So, there's two options. Option A is the personal interview. And here you're going to interview someone in person. You prepare your questions in advance and conduct the interview in a professional manner. It's recommended you provide the list of questions to your interviewee in advance. And a personal note of thanks afterwards is a thoughtful touch. Option B is biographical research. So here you're going to do a study of somebody successful in your chosen career. Key point here is that this should not be a copy and paste of somebody else's work. This needs to be written in your words from what you have read and understand about this successful person. Now, the case study template looks like this. It's a PowerPoint, and we have a number of questions that you need to complete. Be sure to put who the person that you're doing the study about, the career cluster, and your name, please. If we go to question 1, it's about what their childhood was like, where did they grow up, stories about their family. Again, as all assignments, the more detail you provide, the better it shows that you're engaged and the better mark you'll receive. Question 2 is about challenges. Question 3 is about their education and how they feel they learn best. Question 4 is what steps did they take towards their occupation. Question 5 is why were they successful. 6, how do they make important decisions. 7, personal characteristics or traits do they have in common or do they have connected to this occupation. What part of the process was luck and what part was earned. And what is their life philosophy based on the life choices they have made. Then we've got 2 reflection questions with detail explain how their description of personal traits connects to what you've uncovered. And question 2 with detail explain how the learning style, education, and career pathway of this individual connects to your own. And then we've got sources. Please use proper APA citation rules for that. And this is your template which you are expected to use. Minimize. And then as we scroll down, these are, no matter whether you do option A, the personal interview, or this biographic research, these are the research questions that you must follow. Career cluster, be sure to click on this link, and this is the page that you'll get for career clusters. Carefully read this information, very important for you in this assignment. After you do the 9, or they have 10 here, questions, make sure you properly cite your sources, and then your reflection questions, and then the marking rubric. And the marking rubric looks like this. It has 2 outcomes that are expected, and they are here. And what we're asking for is the interview. If you are seeking a 2 out of 4 or 50%, you're going to provide a basic interview and a basic understanding of that career cluster occupation. And the other part is demonstrating concrete knowledge acquisition and adequate understanding of career cluster or occupational choice. Minimum 1 or 2 sentences will give you a basic achievement, will give you a 2, possibly a less. As you move left on this chart, the more detailed information you provide, the better you are engaged, the more you get out of it, and the better mark you get. Close that. And make sure you submit this to the assignments folder, career portfolio, case study. Please do not submit this through email or private discussions. And if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know through your private discussions, and I will be sure to either direct you where you need to go or I will answer your question. Take care, stay safe, and hope you've enjoyed your break.